Say hello to the snowy animals. Come with me and say hello in the land of ice and snow. Who's that fishing over there? Say hello to the polar bear. Hello, polar bear. Grr, grr, grr. Here's a funny feathery fowl. Say hello to the snowy owl. Hello, snowy owl. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Caribou huffs and stamps through the storm. His thick brown coat will keep him warm. Hello, caribou. Huff, huff, huff. Out to sea I spy a whale, spouting water and splashing his tail. Hello, whale. Swish, wash, swish, wash. Sliding's fun for a fat little seal, but think how cold your tummy would feel. Hello, seal. Honk, honk, honk. Puffin with your stripy bill, eat those fish or your friends soon will. Hello, Puffin. Flap, flap, flap. Arctic hares can jump and race. Look out, husky loves to chase. Hello, Arctic hare. Thump, thump, thump. Home we go. Do you know why? It's time for bed, so say goodbye. Goodbye, polar bear. Grr, grr, grr. Goodbye, caribou. Huff, huff, huff. Goodbye, snowy owl. Hoo-hoo, hoo-hoo. Goodbye, puffin. Flap, flap, flap. Goodbye, whale. Swish, wash, swish, wash. Goodbye, seal. Honk, honk, honk. Goodbye, Arctic hare. Thump, thump, thump. What a lovely snowy night. Goodbye, husky. Snuggle up tight.